Hello friends, so after a long time, welcome back to my channel. I think it's almost more than 2 years since I've last put a video on YouTube. So I'll try to be more regular in the upcoming days, and I'll also explain in the further videos that why I couldn't be regular in the last 2 years. I know that I've had a lot of number of followers who had been asking me that why are there no videos, what are the latest updates. So I'll try to be regular from now onwards, and I hope that I'm going to meet the expectations that you all have on me. Keeping that in mind, as you all know that I have joined a new company and I've got two amazing gifts to unbox in front of you all. This is the first one which I'm going to unbox in front of all of you, and this is the number two gift which again I'm going to open in front of you. So opening this thing is this, and I'll show you what is inside. So let's go and check what is inside these two bags. So opening the first bag, this is the bag number one, and I'll open this chain. So you have all this thing. This is an ID card holder, and I have this small thing. So it's written 2025 IBM, the date of my joining. Then I have one more pen, and then opening the next chain, I have a diary. So this IBM is written over here, and they have given a bottle. So this is a sipper, not a bottle. So as you all can see, again IBM is written. So this is what was kept in this bag. Now I'm going to open bag number two. So let's go. So this is bag number two, and you can see this is an American Tourister bag. When it's written over here IBM India Software Labs, which is basically where I'm working, and this is IBM for IBM. Then opening the chain, what is inside? There is nothing inside this chain. In the next chain, I'll open this chain now, and so there are a lot of things. So this is the first thing. This is a phone stand with writing pad and a spectacle holder, which is impressive. So this is the writing pad, and this is a phone holder along with a spectacle holder. So you can keep your spectacle over here while working and your phone over here. It's a very good dual use thing. So next I have this one second, this amazing this is basically as you can see, JBL Quantum 100, which is basically for my work purposes. This headset wired over your gaming headset, which I will never use probably, but yes, that's what they have given me. And they have given this Borosil Hydra bottle. I'll open this bottle for all of you. Again IBM is written. So this all is what there in my bag number two, and I'll keep the bag beside this so that you all can see everything. This is what I have got from this bag. Oh yes, and this small thing, this is basically a brooch, which this B of IBM. So this is what is there in this bag, and along with it I've got an amazing t-shirt from IBM. So over here, as you can see, IBM is written on the back side of the t-shirt, and this by Arrow, which is an amazing looking shirt. Sorry, it's a shirt, not a t-shirt. And it's written over here IBM India Software Labs, which is again basically where the department I'm working, IBM India Software Labs. So keeping all the gifts in front of, I'll keep all the things which I have received once again. I have this amazing gifts and a diary, this thing, and a bag, one more bag. And so I have a huge number of gifts in front of you, which IBM has pampered me with a hell lot of gifts. So yeah, so I'm shooting this part once again because I forgot to show you all this gift, which also I received from IBM, and this is probably the most coolest thing which I have received among all the gifts, and I'll just open this for you guys. So this is basically, you can see it's a keychain. It's written IBM, but the cool thing is at the back. So you can see this is like a calendar, moving calendar. So you can move this thing to show the year, and below this will show that which day is which part of the week. So as you can see, one is Monday. So yes, here I have found 2025. So yes, 2025 calendar. So in 2025, uh, if I put this August and February in 2025, then you can see the dates. So first is on Friday, and then 31st is a Sunday, which is actually true. And then if I put September on 2025, so December and September has the same days of the week. So in September, this is 2025, as you can see. And if I put September, then first September is a Monday, then Tuesday, Wednesday. So guys, I hope you have seen the amazing number of gifts that IBM has sent, and have pampered me with so many gifts. So I've showed to you all also what I have got, because I love to share everything with you all, because you all are my family. And I hope that you have enjoyed this video. I'll come up with more regular videos coming forward, and I'm going to explain my journey over the last 2 years, what I have done, where am I currently, what am I doing. I'm sure you'll be interested in watching my upcoming videos, which is definitely going to be very interesting. So looking forward to sharing many more such videos with you. Thank you guys very much for watching this video. See you all in the next one. And yes, definitely don't forget to like, share and subscribe my video, as you all have been doing over the last years. Thank you very much.